Hey Naturally Glam fam, it's your girl Jonna, and in this video I'm gonna be reviewing this Cinema Secrets makeup brush cleaner. Now, I was recommended this makeup brush cleaner from my friend who is also a makeup artist, Tiana Nairi. We co-host our Curls Culture Couture podcast together, and she's a really great makeup artist. She's done my makeup a few times. This came highly recommended from her. Now, I am absolutely horrible about cleaning my makeup brushes. Like, I am the person that will go to Target and buy a new makeup brush before I will clean my makeup brushes, and that's because I just abhor the whole process of cleaning them and then having to wait for them to dry. And so I either don't wash them as much as I should, which we know is not good for your skin. Fortunately, I haven't had any breakouts or anything, but I need to clean my makeup brushes more frequently. And she told me that if I use this, that it's quick drying, it rinses free because it doesn't use water, you just use this, and that it will make cleaning my brushes a breeze. That's what she uses to clean her makeup brushes. Here we are. I'm going to try it on camera so you guys can see. And if you're feeling it, I got the Amazon link in the description box if you want to try it after you see how well it works. Now, these are my dirty makeup brushes. Now, these are some that are dirty, and I just went out and got new makeup brushes. So these are the 3 brushes that I'm going to try to clean today, and we'll see how it goes. According to the directions, this is supposed to be really easy to use. You just put a little bit of the cleanser in this tin and dip the brush in there really quick, and then wipe it on the paper towel, and that's supposed to be it. Pour it, dip it, wipe it. So let's see if that's what we gotta do. Okay, here's our dirty brush. Dip. Then I'm going to wipe. Maybe I should have folded this. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh, look how the makeup is covered. Oh man. So that's really sad, like that's how much makeup I had in this brush. Look at that. This is, first of all, ridiculous, but also amazing that the brush is coming clean with just that little bit of product. So this is the finished product. Clean. Wow. And it's dry. Like, it's dry. And I could go right now and use this brush.
2 things to note: use this product somewhere where there's plenty of air because it is strong, and also it can discolor your brush slightly, which I noticed with this brush.
This is the last brush that I'm going to clean. Let's see how this goes. So I want to be able to show y'all the before.
So the proof is in the pudding. Cinema Secrets worked amazing cleaning my brushes, and now I can use them immediately. So I'll definitely be using this product moving forward. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.